Do you know what actually happens when a mosquito sucks your blood? If you think a mosquito bite is just a simple poke and suck, then you're completely wrong. In reality, every time a mosquito draws blood, it's not much different from performing a minor surgical operation on you. Now, let's take a closer look at how this little mosquito doctor carries out its procedure on you. First, it quietly lands on your skin. To avoid being detected, once it has found the right spot, it carefully applies a bit of anesthetic to numb your skin so you won't feel the pain during the operation. How considerate is that, right? Next, the mosquito doctor takes out its surgical tools, its mouthparts. Many people think mosquitoes have only one needle-like tube, but in fact, their mouthparts consist of 6 needle-like structures, each with a different function, only visible under a microscope. They each have specific roles. The 2 outermost needles with tiny saw-like teeth are responsible for slicing open your skin. The 2 middle ones help clear the path by removing obstacles as it searches for a blood vessel. Of the remaining 2, one needle releases anticoagulant substances to prevent your blood from clotting during the feeding. The other is the actual feeding straw, which it uses to greedily suck your blood until its abdomen swells to several times its original size. During this process, the mosquito may also inject viruses into your bloodstream through that same feeding tube. And not only that, to extract more blood, the mosquito will simultaneously excrete excess water from its body while feeding. So it's essentially eating on one end and releasing on the other, continuing until it's nearly about to burst before finally flying off satisfied. Most of the time, by the time you feel the itch or pain, the mosquito has already taken off. What you're experiencing is actually your immune system reacting to the leftover anesthetic and saliva. After learning all this, don't you think these professional mosquito doctors deserve some recognition? Finally, do you know what happens if all the mosquitoes in the world suddenly disappeared?